today we are going to head up to Bellingham so we can have a pre-production meeting for some secret stuff that's going on. Beautiful weather outside, so should be a nice scenic drive.
Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights. Slaving all.
Greg.
Yeah.
Greg.
What?
Do you want a drink? Okay, I'm gonna get you a drink.
Yeah.
Greg, which one do you think is yours?
Probably the tea.
You'd be right. I tried to find something like organic and fresh and nice and
Thanks.
vegan, so I found iced tea. How now, brown cow? So we just made it to Camber Coffee so that we can have our pre-production meeting for the top secret stuff, and should be a good time. Let's go. We just got done with our pre-production meeting with Hand Crank because we have some exciting things coming, and we walked around a little bit, checked out some areas. Perfect day for it. Now we're gonna head back to Bothell, back to the office, and continue the rest of our day. So we are back at the office and just wanted to give you a quick update of what's kind of going on around here. So you'll notice that a lot of our content is starting to revamp a little bit, and we're just trying to elevate it. We do a lot of our own stuff here in-house, including like our tutorials and our highlight videos, advertisements, things like that. So we have been working on our studio. Want to take a look? So the first thing we did was we figured out what kind of cameras we wanted to use. So on the Rhino Slider, thank you Rhino, we use our 1DX as our B cam, and then we have to my left the Canon C300 as well. We're running the Shogun monitor and applying a LUT right as we're filming, so that helps to speed up the entire process. The next thing that we thought about was doing set design and the lighting. We just wanted to drive a different feel across the entire thing. So up here above me, we've got our ring light, and we're using the Rode MTG microphone. On this side, we've got basically just a light to separate our talent from the background. And then we're using a light panel here that can actually change lights. It's got an audio pickup on it so that it's like an equalizer. It's really cool to watch for a while, but right now we're running Autel Red. And then we have our awesome assortment of random desk items. So a laptop, iMac, and then 2 speakers. And then this room also echoes really badly. So not only does the sound deadening panels look pretty good as a background and add a lot more depth to your shot, but they also help out with audio. And then we used to run a lot of different track lighting up here on our cage that kind of circles the studio. And then we just figured out the right placement and how many lights to run so that light cascades down and creates some nice shadows. This space overall will allow us to just do a lot of different things. So tutorials, vlogs like this, some product shots, and just kind of add a lot of depth and character to the content that we're trying to get out. So this week's a little bit short, but we've been working on quite a few different things for you guys, including like the updates and whatnot. Our latest update for Evo was the coaching mode, so we're putting together some tutorial videos for that. Hopefully you guys have had a chance to use it. But yeah, we're doing quite a few different things, and the weather's getting good up here near Seattle, so we're gonna be out flying a lot more. And we have some exciting things in the pipeline. So we really hope that you guys like this vlog. Please drop us a comment down below on what you want to see next week. And I think we're going to do something about editing, right? Because you guys have been asking for that. Awesome. So Greg, if I can get him to, will probably do something on how he edits videos in his entire workflow. But yeah, give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.